Welcome to Longshore Boats. My name is Hector. This is the 2019 297 SSX. This boat is a wide band blue, come with a beautiful aloe gray interior. It's got the twin seam rod. Let me show you a couple options here on the helm. Something what I love about the 297 SSX is the double wide captain and passenger seat, and you can go back and forward from the top. You don't have to reach the levers on the bottom. You can rotate this one and facing back. The steering wheel is fully adjustable, so if you want to drive a stand up, you can use just the bolster seat, and you see it's got a plenty of space to it. Or if you want to drive in from a more higher point, you can do it. On the port side, you're going to have an access to all the light and switches. Starboard side, you're going to have an access to the wingless. You're going to have an access to the automatic hardtop. You can lower down the hardtop and automatic. Of course, you have an access to the hatch, wiper, blower, and bilge pump. Then this one comes with the Polk upgrade sound system. You will have the Lenco trim tabs, and like I said before, this one comes with a twin seam rod. You can use one as your GPS, and you can use the other one for reading the depth or the engine instruments. On the bow, you have a deeper bow seating. This one comes with a field cushion. On the passenger side, we're going to have an access to the head compartment. This one comes with the electric flush. It's got the sink with the fresh water. At the door, you're going to have an access to a glove box. Then you're going to have a phone charger on the side, on the passenger side. Like I told you before, captain and passenger seat, they are double wide. Then at the deck, we will have an access to the big ski locker where you can keep water toys, covers, and everything else. Behind the driver's seat, you're going to have a sink with a fresh water. Beautiful countertop. Right behind, you're going to have an access to put a cooler. Look at the size of the cushions. That's part of Chaparral DNA. They always build pretty beefy cushions. They don't use plywood behind. If you notice, the hardtop, like I told you before, is not automatic, so the whole hardtop will come down and automatic. On this side, you have plenty access to more storage right here. It's a lot of seating capacity in the 297 SSX. The transom seat becomes flat, and you can use it as your launch seat or 10 in bed. Right in the back, and the swing platform, you have access to the freshwater shower right here. Now in the 297, you can fill gas either way, starboard or port. And if you notice the humongous space on the swing platform, that's how the 297 SSX it is. It's a pretty big boat. It's perfect for go out in the ocean. It's perfect go out on the beach. Perfect for the sandbar days. If you want more information about this boat or many others, check our website at longshoreboats.com, or you can call me at 843-200-0491. Thanks for watching.